what do we have here? Spicy salami spaghetti. This is some spicy shit. Hey everyone, Mark here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today it's spicy salami spaghetti. Whew. So for the sausage part, you can use homemade soppressata. You can go to the deli store and get hot Genoa salami, or what I'm going to use today, hot Calabrese sausage, and of course, synonymous with this channel, it's BOMBA Calabrese sauce. I put it in anything and everything. It's the best stuff. It's the good stuff. And of course, chili flakes. So let's get spicy. I'm starting with 300 grams of spicy Calabrese sausage that has been thinly sliced. I'm just gonna make a couple piles, layering on top of each other. And then I'm gonna slice into long or short strips, whatever you feel like doing. I would say a 1/4 inch thick. Just make sure to try and keep the slices all the same size, just so that they fry up evenly. You'll have to separate the strips a bit as they will stick together. And then once you're done, just place on a plate and set aside. Next up, finely chop up half of a small yellow onion and set that aside. And then for the garlic, 2 to 3 cloves is fine. Now you can finely slice or chop up the garlic, but I'm just gonna give a smash to the garlic with the flat side of my knife to open it up a bit to impart the garlic flavor into the sauce. Then tear up as much basil as you like. Whatever your love for basil is should help guide you on this journey. Then finally grate a Tony Montana sized mountain of Parmigiano Reggiano, about 60 to 70 grams worth. And I have to open up a brand new piece of the good stuff. Oh, smells so good. And of course, have to give it a try. And once you're done all your grating, set aside. In a pan on low to medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and add the salami in and slowly fry it up, moving it around frequently. The salami will start to render its fat and infuse the oil with its flavor. Once the salami is on the cusp of getting crispy, remove to a plate lined with paper towel and set that aside. Now, depending on how much fat was rendered, you may have to add some more extra virgin olive oil. But at the end of the day, you want about 3 tablespoons worth of oil/fat. Then we're gonna add the onions, the garlic, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. And depending on how spicy you want this pasta, add chili flakes. The pasta is already spicy, but adding the chili flakes is just gonna take it to another level. Once the onions have softened a bit, we're going to add 400 milliliters of passata, which is just strained tomatoes. We aren't adding a ton of sauce because the BOMBA sauce is also being added. And then add the basil to the sauce and add between 4 to 6 big heaping spoonfuls of BOMBA sauce. Now, if you aren't familiar with BOMBA sauce, I will leave a link in the description below with a recipe where I explain BOMBA 101, because contrary to belief, BOMBA sauce, the real Calabrese stuff, is not just chili paste. Now we're gonna bring the heat to medium to high and mix everything frequently for about 10 to 15 minutes just to reduce the sauce a little bit. Then you can bring the heat back down to low medium. Salt a large pot of boiling water and add your pasta. I'm using spaghetti, obviously, and cook the pasta just before al dente, as we are going to finish cooking it in our sauce. You can remove the garlic if you like at this point, or you can leave it in as a surprise for someone. And now we can add a ladle of pasta water to the sauce along with the pasta, and it's time for la mantecatura, mixing and tossing, marrying the pasta to the sauce, adding more pasta water as needed. And once the pasta is almost done, add the salami back in, mixing and tossing. Now you can add all the salami in, or you can save some for garnish. And now we're gonna turn off the heat or remove the pan from the heat and add the Parmigiano Reggiano, mixing and tossing. Also, you can save some for garnish if you like. Then we're gonna plate up our pasta, garnish with some crispy salami, some more Reggie if you like, and bring it to the table. All right, so all I'm gonna say is attempt this dish if you like spice, and I mean spice, like hot, fiery spice. It's got it all, but it's so delicious and flavorful. So I hope you give this a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.